Yeah.
Hi, Kiva. Bless you. You guys have a frisbee golf thingy.
Matt.
Just one?
It's
That's the whole course?
No, it's just a practice cutting.
You can put the starting point anywhere, including the bedroom window. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Oh, that's cute.
I got her!
Again, she's on the bottom.
I told the breeder I needed a submissive dog. As submissive as corgis get.
Saw a really cute corgi at the trial with a long tail. It was 3/4 hem and 1/4 cardigan.
Interesting.
But it had a long tail.
Yeah.
Yeah. It pretty much looked
on
like
purpose or an accident?
It is a kid that had it, but it looked pretty much like a Pembroke.
Do you want him?
I just heard it after I was feeding him.
Billy! Bill! Billy!
Dylan. When she was that size.